Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And Microsoft Photos is crashing, is not working, and it hidden. So I will give you re-register command in this video. So first, click to start. Type run. Open this. Use this command wsreset.exe. After that, click to OK. After that, it will open the Microsoft Store. So no worry about that because of when use this command na that install applications cache and reset, okay, setting reset, okay, and then close it. Then open the PowerShell, click to start. This is the reset command, re-register command. Type PowerShell and then right click to run as administrator, then clicks for access. After that, use enter this command. Okay, this command I will give in description, so you can copy and paste, otherwise you can enter the manually. Okay, and then hit enter. So you can see, so without any error it's successfully. Okay, and then close it. Next, repair and restore your Microsoft Photos. So click to start, go to setting, then click to app, then install app. Now wait few seconds. Okay, then it is done. Then find out the Microsoft Photo, scroll down. This is Microsoft, this is Photos. Click on three dot and then advanced option, three dot, scroll down, click to reset, then repair. So after that, and just and also click on terminate. Okay, so wait few seconds, it complete, it will come tick this. Okay, so it is right tick, so it is completed. Okay, then close it, then restart your system and please check it. If not, please comment me. If done, so also comment me. Thank you.